Good evening, one and all. Today is auspicious మహాకార్తీకి కార్తీక పౌర్ణిమ, దేవదీపావళి అని పిలువబడుతూ ఉంటుంది. త్రిపురాసుర సంహారం జరిగిన రోజు కాబట్టి ఒకసారి మహాభారతంలో కిరాతార్జునీయం అనే ఘట్టంలో నుంచి అర్జునుడు ఈశ్వరుణ్ణి చేసినటువంటి దండకం మహాభారతంలో కనిపిస్తుంది అని చెప్తూ ఉంటారు. ఈశ్వర దండకం. హరి ఓం. శ్రీకంఠ లోకేశ లోకోద్భవ స్థాన సంహారకారి పురారి మురారి ప్రియా చంద్రధారి మహేంద్రాది బృందారకానంద సందోహ సంధాహి పుణ్యస్వరూప విరూపాక్ష దక్షాధ్వరధ్వంసక దేవనీదైన తత్వంబు భావించి బుద్ధి ప్రధానంబు కర్మంబు విజ్ఞానమధ్యాత్మయోగంబు సర్వక్రియాకారణంబున్ నానాప్రకారంబులున్ బుద్ధిమంతుల్ విచారించుచో నిన్ను భావింతురీశాన సర్వేశ్వర సర్వజ్ఞ సర్వాత్మక నిర్వికల్ప ప్రభావ భవానీపతి నీవు లోకత్రయీవర్తనంబుల్ మహావాయుఖాత్మాగ్ని సోమార్క తోయంబులంజేసి సంసార చక్రక్రియాయంత్రవాహుండవై దేవాదిదేవ మహాదేవ నిత్యంబునత్యంత యోగస్థితిన్ నిర్మల జ్ఞాన దీప ప్రభాజ్వాల విధ్వస్త నిస్సార సంసార మాయాంధకారుల్ జితక్రోధ రోగాది దోషుల్ యతీంద్రుల్ యతాత్ముల్ భవత్పాద పంకేరుహధ్యాన పీయూష ధారానుభూతిన్ సదా తృప్తులైరీ అవ్యయ భవ్య సేవ్య భవ భర్గ భట్టారక భార్గవాగస్త్య కకుత్థాది నానాముని స్తోత్ర దత్తావధాన లలాటేక్షణ ఉగ్రాగ్ని భస్మీకృతానంగ భస్మానులిప్తాంగ గంగాధర నీ ప్రసాదంబునన్ సర్వగీర్వాణ గంధర్వులన్ సిద్ధ సాధ్యోరగేంద్రాదులన్ మహేంద్రాదులున్ శాశ్వత ఐశ్వర్య సంప్రాప్తులైరీ ఈశ్వర విశ్వకర్త సురాభ్యర్చిత నాకు నభ్యర్థితంబుల్ ప్రసాదింపు కారుణ్యమూర్తి త్రిలోకైకనాథ మహాదేవదేవ నమస్తే 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 నమః. So let us just see the meaning very briefly. So it is Srikantha. So the first thing Shiva has done is the greatest help to this whole world is to control the halahala. Halahala has been controlled by putting that halahala in the kantha. So the white color Shiva appears with a black dot on his throat. So that Srikantha, Sri means the poison. So he keeps the poison Srikantha. So Arjuna starts his prayer after fighting with Kirata. He realizes this Kirata is Shiva only. So then he starts this prayer. Srikantha, Lokesha is the Lord of Lokesha. Lokodbhava sthana samhara kari. Loka udbhava sthana samhara. So creation, maintenance and dissolution are caused by the Supreme Lord. Purari, Tripurasura Samharam. All the three asuras have been killed at the same shot. That is a different story. Purari. Murari Priya is the friend of Lord Vishnu, the closest friend of Vishnu, actually the heart of Lord Vishnu. Murari Priya. Chandradhari holds the Chandra on his head. Chandradhari. Mahendradi Bundrarakananda Sandoha Sandhahi. So all the divinities, starting from Lord of Divinities Mahendra, all their bliss, all their happiness is caused by the Lord. Punyaswarupa, virtuous form, who is having very auspicious form. Punyaswarupa. Virupaksha, having three non-aligned eyes. Virupaksha. Dakshadharadvamsaka, who has whoever starts a yajna or a sacrifice or anything, great effort, how much ever capable person he is, once you reject the Ishvara, any rejection of Ishvara will cause final destruction. So Daksha's yajna is Nirishvara yajna. He has not invited the Ishvara into that yajna. So if you don't take Ishvara, Lord, into confidence, that yajna will be dhvamsaka, it will go away uselessly. Deva, nidaina tattvambu bhavinchi, by contemplating in your essential nature, tattvambu bhavinchi, buddhi pradhanambu, some people will take the intellect as the primary thing, karmambu, some people will take action, vijnanamu, some people will take knowledge as the path, adhyatma yogambu, some people will take spirituality as part of the path of yoga, sarvakriya karanambunsun nana prakarambulan, in these different ways. Buddhimantul, there are several wise people, vicharinchucho, they are thinking, contemplating and inquiring into the reality. Ninnu bhavintur Ishana, you are the Lord of all the knowledge. Ishana, Sarvesvara, Lord of everybody, Sarva, earthly form, Sarvajna, knower of everything, Sarvatmaka, everybody is Atma, everybody is soul, is the Lord. Nirvikalpa Prabhava, without vikalpas, who is having a power of without vikalpas. No transformations, continuous, homogeneous, Nirvikalpa Prabhava. Bhavanipati, the Lord of Divine Mother, or the husband of Divine Mother, so Divine Father, Bhavanipati. Neevu Lokatrayi Vartanambul, so to move these lokas, the worlds, Mahavayu, Khatma, Agni, Somarka, Toyambulan, all the 5 elements, earth, water, fire, air and space, Atma, Buddhi, Arka, sun, moon, and చేసి కావించి సంసార చక్రక్రియ యంత్ర వాహుండవై. సో బై హోల్డింగ్ దిస్ సంసార చక్ర, ద వీల్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్ which is taking round again and again, Vahundavai, Devadideva, Mahadeva, known as the first God, greatest God, the Mahadeva, greatest God. Nityambu Natyanta Yoga Sthitin, people who reach the topmost of transcendental position, Yoga Sthitin. Nirmala Jnana, who are having their knowledge purified, Nirmala Jnana Deepa Prabhajvala Vidhasta Nissara Samsara Mayandhakarul. So those people, from the light of such purified knowledge, the samsara, Nissara Samsara Mayandhakara, Nissara useless, means essenceless, Samsara, the repeated cycle of birth and death, Mayandhakarul, that is the delusory darkness of delusion. Jatakrodha Ragadidhoshul, people who have crossed the Raga, means like, attachment, or Dvesha, dislike, rejection, such feelings, who have crossed such feelings, Jatakrodha Ragadidhoshul, Yatindrul, those are called Yatindras. My guru, seeing on behind me, Yatindrul, Yatatmul, Bhavat Pada Pankeruha Dhyana Piyusha Dharanubhutin, by praying at your lotus feet, Bhavat Pada Pankeruha Dhyana Piyusha, nectar comes out of such a prayer at the lotus feet, brings the nectar. By drinking that nectar, Sadatruptulairi, they become always contented. Sadatruptulairi, Avyaya. So it is not that some people have drunk all the nectar, we don't have anything. Nothing like that. It will continue to come. Avyaya, it can't be spent away. It is always there. Avyaya, Bhavya Sevya, Bhava, Bharga Bhattaraka, Bhargava, Bhargava, Agastya, Kakutsadi, Nana Muni Stotra. So all the great sages like Bhargava, Agastya, Kakusta, all these people have prayed to you. Not me first or whatever. Arjuna is saying this. Nana Muni Stotra, Dattavadhana, Lalate Kshana. On the Lalata there is one extra eye, that is the fire eye. Lalate Kshana. Ugragni Bhasmikrutananga Bhasmanuliptanga. By opening that fire eye, he made the lord of desire, Cupid or Manmadha, Ananga, he has been made into Bhasma, he has been made into ashes. Bhasmanuliptanga always smears the Bhasma. Bhasma is actually the power, what remains after negating everything. Bhasmanuliptanga, Gangadhara holds the Ganga on the head. Neeprasadambunan sarva girvana gandharvulun. By whose grace? By your grace, sarva girvana gandharvulun, siddha, sadhya, Uragendradulan. So Siddhas, Sadhyas, all the celestial beings, Siddha, Sadhyo, Uragendradulan, Saswata Aiswarya Sampraptulairi. They became Saswata, eternal Aiswarya, wealth Sampraptulairi. So they have been given eternal wealth by the prasadam, by the grace of such a great Lord. Ishvara Vishwakarta, you are the Ishvara, you are the Lord. Vishwakarta, you are the cause or the doer of the whole wide world. Vishwakarta, Surabhyarchita. So always prayed to by, worshipped by all the gods. Surabhyarchita. Naku abhyarthitambul prasadimpu. Whatever I am asking you, give me. Abhyarthitambul prasadimpu. Karunyamurti, compassionate person. Trilokaikanatha, Lord of all the three worlds, Trilokaikanatha, Mahadeva Deva, Namaste, 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 Namaha. So thus, by this way, bowing down to such a Lord, Arjuna asked for Pasupatastra. No one has Pasupatastra. God granted him Pasupatastra. But we ask for only three things. What are those three things we ask? Vinadainyana jivanam, anayasena maranam, vinadainyana jivitam, dehante tava sayujyam, dehime parvati pate. So what we can ask? Anayasena maranam, when the last time comes, without any so many pipes going through this body, easily at the home, happily we should pass away. Anayasena maranam. Vinadainyana jivitam. All along the life, not going and begging at somebody, or deenatvam, without losing our own self-respect. Life without losing self-respect. Vinadainyana jivitam. Dehante tava sayujyam. After leaving this body, merging in the Supreme Lord. These are the three things. Dehime parvati pate. Our prayer is always asking for these three things to the Lord. So on this auspicious day, let us pray to the God to give all the auspicious things to all the people in the world. Actually, He is giving everything. Whatever is, anybody is taking any auspiciousness, it only comes from Lord Shiva. Shiva, Shambhu, auspiciousness only. So on this day, we reminded ourselves of this Dandakam, which has been a wonderful thing. It came to me, my mother used to sing this whenever. So it came in the tradition to me. So I thought of reciting this on this full moon day of Kartika Masa. Let the blessings of Shiva be on one and all. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu. Shubham bhuyat.